On any of those branded websites, the Goodman, Amana, Franklin PLP, and so forth websites, if they sign up for one of those, we want it to be easy peasy. We're going to host the website, maintain it, we're going to make sure that it's secure, they actually have an SSL certificate. 90% of the dealers you guys have don't even have a secure website. In fact, there's a giant little thing in the left corner that says, this site is not secure, you should not fill out any forms. I don't know how to even. Okay, so we're going to make sure it's secure, that it's on a content distribution network, that we actually have backups. Yesterday, we got 3 calls from people that were trying to do their own websites. Their websites is gone because they unplugged, or because they installed a plugin and destroyed their website, and they can't get it back. That was one of Kathy's calls yesterday. We don't give them access to hurt themselves. So if they ever say, I don't have admin access to install a plugin that Vladimir built, nope. You can send it to us and we'll do it for you. So more of a red carpet treatment, but we don't want them to hurt themselves. They get a CRM system and a new website every 2 years. That's the big one. They don't have to ask us, we don't have to ask them. They're going to get a new website either every 2 years, or if we have to. If Google says there's a huge change, we're going to rebuild them regardless, and we never have to go through this again.
That's included in the cost.
Included. Yeah, it took almost as much labor to try and get a hold of the dealers to get them to say yes to us doing free work for them as it took to do the work. It was close.